Grades to graduate is less than credits after the seminar. There you go. Equals and not equals. So how would we validate our paycheck to see if we got paid the right amount? We can use another relational operator to do this. Equals equals will tell us if two operators are equal. Okay, final keyword throughout this lesson, we've discussed the different ways we can manipulate a variable. However, what do we do with a variable that should never change its value? For example, the year we were born will always stay. Will always stay the same. There's no way we can change that information. A value like this in our code should be unchangeable. Right, so to declare a variable with a value that cannot be manipulated, we need to use the final keyword. To use the final keyword, prepend final to a variable declaration like so. So number one, instructions: create an unchangeable double variable called pi and set its value to 3.14. On a new line, try to change the value of pi. What happens when the program runs? Okay, so let's quickly print this out as well. Says it to print the value of pi. System.output print 9. The result 3.14. Run it again. There you go. I'd learned Java manipulating variables. Review. Okay, so instructions number one to review. Let's try building some of the bank account functionality we talked about throughout the lesson. First, create a new double variable called updated balance. Store balance with the amount to withdraw subtracted from it. Okay, now you've decided to split your balance evenly 3 ways and give it to your last 3 best friends, to your 3 best friends. Okay, so create a double variable called amount for each friend. It holds the updated balance divided by 3. Number 3, your friends each want to buy a concert ticket with the money you've given them. The tickets cost 250. Create a boolean called can purchase ticket. And set it equal to whether or not amount for each friend is at least enough to purchase a concert ticket. Amount is equal to balance. Then use system.out to print line. Okay. So that is true. How much money did you give your friends anyway? Use the plus operator in system.out print line to print out I've gave each friend amount for each friend. So I'm just going to create a new one. I've gave, or I gave each friend and let's run this. I gave each friend 250.25. Right, so that's it. Let's move on.